Welcome to a brief tour of two revolutionary approaches in modern medicine, shown here as a shield and a network. One doctrine trains our defenses ahead of time with vaccines, while the other unleashes our own protectors through immunotherapy. Over the next slides, we will explore how each strategy works, their strengths, and why combining them could reshape the future of healthcare. Think of your body as a fortress with two lines of defense, illustrated here by a wall, and a specialist squad. The innate immune system is the fast, general-purpose response that blocks invaders immediately, while the adaptive system learns, remembers, and mounts precise attacks over time. Together, they form a two-speed defense that keeps us alive and is the foundation for both vaccines and immunotherapies. This slide shows the vaccine drill in action. A harmless fragment trains immune cells to recognize a threat, prompting antibody production and memory cell formation. Vaccines are essentially rehearsals that teach the adaptive immune system how to spot and defeat a specific enemy without causing the disease itself. That training is what prepares the body to respond faster and smarter if the real pathogen appears. Here, we have a simple taxonomy of vaccine technologies, from live attenuated and inactivated vaccines to subunit and mRNA platforms. Each uses a different mechanism and offers different benefits, whether long-lasting immunity or rapid adaptability to new strains. Scientists choose the best tool for each disease, because vaccine design isn't one-size-fits-all, but a tailored strategy to maximize safety and effectiveness. This slide pairs a historical measles curve with a diagram of herd immunity to show the public health impact of vaccination. After the measles vaccine's introduction cases plummeted, and smallpox was eradicated through coordinated efforts. When most people are immune, transmission stalls and vulnerable individuals are protected, which is why vaccination remains one of the most successful population-level health interventions. If a threat is already inside the body, immunotherapy is like unleashing elite forces to find and destroy it, as the illustration of activated T cells suggests. Rather than directly attacking cells, therapies like checkpoint inhibitors remove the brakes on immune cells so they can attack more aggressively. This reactive strategy empowers our immune system to target complex diseases, such as cancer from within. Immunotherapy has diverse missions, shown here across cancer, allergy, and autoimmune disease. For cancer, the goal is to reprogram immune cells to recognize tumors. For allergies, the aim is to desensitize the immune response. And for autoimmune conditions, the focus is correcting miscommunication to stop self-attacks. Across these areas, immunotherapy seeks to correct, boost, or redirect immune activity for better outcomes. These photos represent real-world patient stories that bring the science to life. One teenager with leukemia entered remission after CAR T-cell therapy and regained normal activities, while another patient with severe asthma saw dramatic reductions in attacks after targeted immunotherapy. These examples show how lab discoveries are translating into meaningful, life-changing improvements beyond clinical trials. When we combine proactive training with targeted offensives, we get a powerful combined arms approach, depicted here by interlocking gears of shield and target. Vaccines can prime the immune system, while immunotherapy boosts or redirects it for a more effective fight. This collaboration opens up new applications, like vaccine-enhanced cancer treatments, where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. This panel walks through a four-step sequence for vaccine-enhanced immunotherapy. First, a therapeutic vaccine trains immune cells. Then the patient's response is primed to recognize cancer markers. Next, checkpoint inhibitors unleash those cells. And finally, a synergistic attack targets the tumor more effectively. By painting the target and unleashing the weapon, this combined approach creates a promising new paradigm in cancer care. Looking ahead, next-generation tools will sharpen both doctrines, from mRNA, nanoparticle, and DNA-based vaccines to personalized immunotherapies, guided by big data and AI. These technologies enable faster design, more precise delivery, and treatments tailored to an individual's biology. The future arsenal aims to move from mass-produced interventions to smarter, faster, and more personalized solutions for a range of diseases. Powerful technologies come with responsibilities, and this slide emphasizes ethics, equity, and access. Patients deserve clear, informed consent, fair global distribution so everyone can benefit, and international coordination to ensure standards and reach. Public health must balance collective protection with respect for individual choice, and policymakers have a duty to deploy these tools ethically and equitably around the world. Winning hearts and minds is central to successful public health, and the bridge illustration captures how science and community outreach must connect. Vaccine hesitancy is complex and shaped by beliefs and experience. So solutions rely on empathy, clear communication, and authentic community engagement. Building trust in science is as important as the science itself if we want broad, lasting acceptance of effective interventions. In closing, the age of the immune system is defined by two converging doctrines: foresight through vaccination and empowerment through immunotherapy. The fusion of these approaches represents more than a technical advance. It's a fundamental shift in how we partner with our own biology to prevent and treat disease. By intelligently training and unleashing the immune system, we're opening a new chapter in medicine.